You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this brand and this word. Alright, if you're talking about the word, the pronunciation in English is as BALR. BALR. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. Now, if you're talking about the brand of fashion and design and sportswear, it's pronounced as BALR. BALR. Okay, so you could separate out ball and then the R. BALR. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.